Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. This time, yeah. Let's do this a lot with Google Gmail SMTP. Yeah. Okay. Because we cannot check. Always open. We cannot always open the page for the IPAM, and then I think just prefer to use the mail because usually, yeah, Outlook or mail is always open, right? And then there is always the message pop up. Yeah, that's why I set up the Gmail. Yeah, it's my first time the Outlook. Yeah, yeah, not bad. Yeah, it's my first time. Okay, so let's try. What's this? Yeah. Ah, you can install the DHCP server in the IPAM. Yeah, previous video I installed the DHCP in the another server, but you can yeah, you can install DHCP service in IPAM server. How can I say optional? Yeah, optional? No. Anyway, yeah. What? Yeah. The mail notification? No. Mail configure default manage alert. SMTP server. Yeah. Add SMTP server. Let's see. Yeah, SMTP is this. And then use SSL or TLS. This server require. Yeah, require. And then my account. Yeah, send test mail to myself. Reply address. Yeah, reply address send. Do I need to type the okay, maybe I need to type the account also. Send. There is no firewall, and then I can SMTP gmail.com. Okay, yeah. It's the interesting thing. It's the interesting. It's fascinating. Whatever. SMTP. Yeah. Try here. Okay. So this is not the problem. Complete. SMTP server. Watch this. Yeah, SSL, yes, 46A, and then your firm IMAP? No, SMTP gmail.com. SMTP gmail.com 465, and then my password is maybe no. Oh yes, yeah, my password was wrong. Yeah. Okay. Save. Okay, and then now alert. 4 minutes? Oh no. And 3 hour? Trigger time. Oh yeah, trigger time is long time ago. Yeah. And then clear. Later. SMTP gmail.com. You just follow this link. Yeah. And then SSL serial port, and then xxxxx gmail.com and password. That's all. And then here custom trigger action. Yeah, trigger. And then add action, email. Name of action is IP conflict. To CC no need sender. No, you want to, and then network the IPAM, sender is IPAM. Yeah, mail is okay, just to leave it remain. Yeah, SMTP. Yeah, daytime. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If we already acknowledge, yeah, no, don't send mail. And then next. And next. And you cannot see, right? Yeah, because of the picture, because of my camera. Yeah, here, submit. Okay. I'm so kind. Yeah, I'm so kind. Yes, I did not drink. Okay. Oh, test mail. Oh yeah, here. IPAM conflict. There is message come. Yeah, but I don't like this. Yeah, if you click this, you can check the message. Yeah. You can customize. Why it showing like this? Yeah, you custom. I don't need. I think one, two, yeah, five mail will come. Yeah, beautiful of the. Why it looks like this? Detailed URL. Okay, yeah, this is done. Simple, right? Check one more. Yeah, IPAM sender and then alert customize complete. Yeah, the time email. Yeah, you can customize for. Yeah. Okay. Let's customize more. Okay. No. Let's customize mail more. Okay. Event. Oh, okay. Clear. And then manage. Alright. Okay, I will put message there. Edit. Yeah, edit. And the message. Okay. Next. Save. Next. Because every 1 minute. Yeah. Every 1 minute. Where is my alert? Checkmate. Oh yeah. Yeah, there is a message. Good, right? You like? I like. Everybody like. But there is something issue. Yeah, sometimes it's not. Why? The system is busy. One more? No? Okay, try one more. Only that. Okay. Here. And show me. Yeah, there is no complete. No. Show me confliction, and then why it's not resolved? Yeah. After scan, it will show resolved. It's a bug. Yeah, I think it's a bug. And then there is IP confliction, so it detected. So dashboard should showing. No need. No need. No need. No need. Okay. Huh? What was that? Please comment why it's not detect. Hey man, detect. Okay, each detect now. 9:20. Okay, just right now. It just detect. So mail. Send me. Send me. I'm waiting for you. Oh yeah. 2 minutes. Okay. It came correctly. Okay, came correctly. Good. Like this, okay? Yeah, nice. Okay, that's all. Because that's what I wanted. Okay. There is more. The mail will keep send you. Acknowledge. Okay, whatever. Yeah, bye bye.